Hi everyone, this is Danielle from A Novel Plan. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're returning, welcome back. It's great to see you guys here. Today is going to be my 2021 planner lineup. All the planners I'm going to be using for the upcoming year, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay everyone, I think I finally got it situated. I know what I'm going to be using for the upcoming year. Who knows if I'm going to stick to this or not, but I am going to be using 4 planners. So let's start with this one first. So this is the first planner I'm going to be using. This is an Erin Condren hourly planner. I have been using this for a while. This runs from June of 2020 through June of 2021. So I'm halfway through this planner-ish. I've been using it on and off for the beginning or the last part of 2020. I am using it more regularly now that we have more going on. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be using each planner for. So this is the 2021 hourly planner. I have been using it a little bit. The monthly in my Erin Condren hourly is going to be used for everything going on in our lives, an overview of them. So this will be vacations, this will be on-call shifts for my husband, this will be school schedules, this will be appointments and soccer, and anything going on with our family will be going in here. I don't know if I'm going to be using kits in this. There's a good chance I will, but I'm not 100% sure. But that is what this will be used for. The weekly, and again, I'm going to do a separate video setting up these pages right here and what I'll be using them for. The weekly is going to be the same thing. This is going to be a more detailed version of our week, I guess. So it'll have all of our school schedules, it will have my work schedule, it will have my husband's schedule, it will have just an overview of everything. So this planner, this hourly planner, will be our main everyday planner. Everything that is important will be going in this in regards to events and things like that will be in this planner, which I've been loving so far. Let's see, let's pull up January. So these are some of the spreads. This spread didn't get done, but this one is the current week and I've been loving it. I have our to-do list over here to buy, and then I have like my filming schedule, my YouTube schedule, our meals, my daughter's birthday, my workout, cleaning. It's just kind of a catch-all for everything. Groceries. It's just an overview of what is going on in the week. This is a planner cake kit. I have also used, this is a Fern Creek stickers kit that I used in December, and those are probably the two shop the most. This is kind of an overview of what November's monthly looked like. So it's just kind of an overview of, like, we had conferences and we had dining out and we had Thanksgiving and Black Friday and we had school at home, and this is kind of an overview of what it might look like in here. So this one, kind of an everyday planner, will be my Erin Condren hourly. This is the main planner. This is the one that if my husband needs to see an event on when something's going on, or if he wants to see if we have something going on a certain day, this will be the planner that he will reference. So this is planner number 1. Okay, planner number 2 is going to be this one right here. Now I've had this on my channel before. This is an old cover. Just a heads up, this is back from back to school. I just haven't switched it out. But this is an Avalon 9th 7x9 coiled planner. I have been using this as memory keeping. I have not been doing the best with it, but this is something I really want to utilize in 2021. What I love about her planner is she has a ginormous coil. I love it because I can use a lot of stickers in it. This is going to be used as a memory keeping planner for maybe not necessarily just events, but things that happen. So say my 5-year-old loses her first tooth, that will go in here. I eventually also want to incorporate pictures. So on the weekly spread, I will be able to throw in some little like zip pictures to kind of remember things. But I'm also going to be using this as a dual purpose. So I never even put my name in the front. So I've used this for a couple different things. In the beginning, I was using it for an actual planner. And then I stopped using it for a while, and then I forgot about it, and then I didn't put any stickers down. So this was all of December, and so now we are on this week. And one of my goals is to really utilize this thing. So this is what I'm committing to. This is what the weekly spread looks like. So you have your box over here for like your full box and your sidebar, and then every single column has lines in it, which is great, which makes it so much easier to write in. I am going to be using sticker kits in this. So like this is this week, or this upcoming week that I just put down, but I'm going to be using sticker kits. And this is the planner that I'm using my 52 weeks of kits inspired by movies in. I'm going to be using sticker kits. I'm going to be memory planning in this planner. However, it is going to serve a dual purpose. So let me switch to the monthly page. This monthly page right here is completely undated, has nothing on it. This is going to be used for my social media and content planning. I haven't actually told anybody this, but I am going to be opening up an Etsy shop. It is not a sticker shop. It's going to be more of a personalized vinyl shop, possibly some personalized gifts eventually, but that is going to be opening fairly soon here, which I'm pretty excited about. So this spread is going to have all of my YouTube content and is going to have all of my work stuff that I need to like have big events. So if I'm going to have new releases on Friday, it will go on here in my shop. If I'm going to be having a video go live over here, that will be on this. So this is going to be an overview, overall schedule of what my social media, YouTube channel, and what my shop is going to look like for the month. So this planner is going to be kind of a double-edged sword. It's going to be memory keeping, but it is also going to serve a double purpose of keeping me organized with my social media, YouTube, and business coming up. So I'm excited about it. I'm going to be sharing more things about the business coming up here soon, but that is what this is going to be. This is going to be a fun planner to work in. I need to get some more covers for it. She's actually in a sale right now, so I might head over there and get some covers. But that is what this Avalon and 9th 7x9 planner is going to be used for. It is going to be for memory keeping and social media and business content. I was weird about in the beginning like adding the two together in the same planner, but I would rather have less planners and combine some things instead of adding like a 5th planner for that. So that is my number 2. Number 3 is going to be this little guy. I have used this Avalon and 9th weeks planner for so many different things over the past 6 months. First it was health and wellness, then it was social media, and now I am changing this to a to-do list / content idea planner. So this thing has been a little bit of everything. It was health and wellness for a long time, and there's more health and wellness, keep going. And I love using stickers in it. And then right about here it switched to a social media planner, and I love this little planner. It is my favorite, and I love that it is completely undated. You can use it for anything you want and switch around the dates. There's more social media, and then it brings us to here. So here's a blank spread of what this looks like. It is completely undated, and this is built like a week style planner. So let me find a page. Alright, so this is kind of an idea of what it looks like. So you can set this up any way you want, but I always do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This currently is kind of what I'm going to keep it as, but this was completely like social media. This had my filming schedule and everything. This is now going to be mostly pen. I say that now, but I'm still going to put date covers in it. I'm still going to put washi, and I'm still going to have some stickers in the sidebar, but this part here is going to be mainly pen, and it's going to be like a to-do list, or it's going to be things that I need to get done for my YouTube channel, or something I need to get done for my shop. I'm going to make a list here of everything that I need to get done on that day. So say Monday I need to go to the store and get ink. That'll be one of my things on here. If I also need to film a video, that's going to be on here. If I need to make mock-ups for my shop, that's going to be on here. If I need to organize a desk drawer in my crafting area, that's going to be on here. I'm just going to have a running to-do list of everything that I need to do in regards to my shop, my YouTube channel, my social media, and any like errands, things like that. This is going to be with me in my purse as a carry-all to-do planner. Very excited about it. And yeah, it's just going to be a fun planner to work in. I'm still going to be able to use some stickers in it, but it's going to be a lot more functional than it was before. So, third planner is going to be a catch-all to-do list type planner. This is the cover I currently have on it. It says just one more chapter, and that's what the back looks like. But I'm getting close to the end of this thing. I think I have maybe, I don't know, 4 months left in it, which is kind of exciting. So that is my third planner. Okay, last but not least is going to be this little guy right here. It is fairly small. It's a little traveler's notebook. This is actually the Erin Condren Petite Wellness Journal, and I'm going to be using this for my health and wellness journey. I, again, have gotten kind of off of this train a little bit because of the holidays, so I need to get back onto it. So this is what it looks like. This is going to be all things working out, all things eating healthy, tracking my weight, everything to do with being more healthy is going to be tracked in this. So it is a wellness log, and I'm going to, let's see, this was an old spread in it right here. There's another one. This is what the weekly spread looks like. You have the spot up here where you put what week you're on, the dates. On the left side here is activity. Then you have your habits, which include water intake, steps, hours slept, and then you can fill it out for every single day. This side is more activity oriented with a few like self-care things like hours slept and steps and water. And then this side is your food side. So this has, you continue the day over, so Monday is all the way across, and then your Monday breakfast, your Monday lunch, your Monday dinner, and snacks if you choose to track them. I will not be tracking my snacks. I will be using this as kind of a miscellaneous column where I like record my weight and I put my goal for the week and whatever else I kind of want to put over here. I will be weighing in on Saturdays, so I will put my weigh-in sticker over here. I will be tracking everything on here. I will only be using a few stickers, maybe like some motivational things in here, maybe a few functional stickers and mild liners and pen. So then you have 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in each month. You may not use all 5 weeks every month, but it gives you the option. At the end of the month, you have these 2 pages right here. So on your left, it is your monthly progress. You put the date, the clothing size at the end of the month, your measurements for your waist, your hips, the weight that you end at the end of the month, your chest measurements, your bicep, and your thigh. This area right here, I'm going to be using as a place to put pictures in. I'm going to take progress pictures every single month in a couple different poses and put them here. You could use this as a journaling area or a tracker or anything else that you would like to use it for. So you could use this wellness goals as the wellness goals that you did during the month or the wellness goals for the upcoming month. Accomplishments, what you accomplished the past month. Goal progress, how you feel like you did. You could either use stickers, you could just journal in here, you could do bullet points, however you want to do it, and then what your plans are for the upcoming month, whether it be you want to lose 10 pounds or you want to drink more water or you want to fill this out more frequently. So then after that, it will go into another 5 weeks all the way to the back, and I don't think there's actually any notes pages in the back of this thing. Let's see. Oh, there is. Look at that. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 notes pages here at the back. So for me, I am actually going to put a headache tracker back here. I have been having a ton of tension headaches lately, and so I really want to kind of like map out a tracker to see how often I'm really getting them. And then with this, you also get a sheet of stickers that came with it. This is an Erin Condren Petite Wellness Planner. And it does come with 1 sheet of stickers. There are other Petite journals you can get, but this is the one that I am going to be using for this year. I'm very excited. I have been using this, well, I used it fairly successfully before the holidays, so I'm ready to get back into it. Alright, so going through my planners one more time. This one right here will be my health and wellness planner. This is the Erin Condren Petite Wellness Journal. All things weight loss, all things eating healthy, all things fitness will be in this guy. This one right here will be my on-the-go planner that gets put in my purse. It's going to have all of my to-do lists, my content to-do lists, everything that, like the little, small little details that I need to do for my YouTube channel, my social media, and or my business that I'm getting ready to start. This one is my Avalon in 9th 7x9 planner. This is going to be all my memory keeping. I'm going to put all the little things that happen throughout the day that aren't necessarily events, like losing teeth, things like that, will be in here, with possibly some pictures in the memory spreads. And then the monthly part of this will be laying out my month for all of my content, everything social media, everything YouTube, everything business. An overview of that will be the monthly in here. So this kind of has a double purpose. And then this guy right here is my absolute main planner. This has everything in it. This will have all of our schedules, the school schedules, the work schedules, the vacations, the appointments, the soccer schedules, everything in relation to our family and our schedules will be in this planner. And yeah, that's my main one. So 4 planners for me this year, all serve a purpose. We will see how I keep up with all 4 of them. I'm hoping that if I end up like losing 1 or 2 of them, that, you know, I will keep the wellness and I will keep my everyday, and hopefully I can keep all 4. But this is what I'm starting off with in 2021. In July of this year, my planner lineup will most likely be changing, just because this planner ends in July of 2021 and I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to, but we will see. I will reevaluate in 6 months and see how everything is going. But this is my 2021 lineup. Also, I kind of want to put a little caveat on here. I do not judge anybody for however many planners they have. If they want 1 planner and they can do absolutely everything in their life and be organized with 1 planner, more power to you. That is great. I'm so happy for you. If you need 6 planners to keep your life organized and it works for you, that is great. I'm happy for you. More power to you. But please don't judge me for my amount of planners. I'm not going to judge you for however many you have. This works for me and I'm excited and happy about it. So I just kind of wanted to put that out there for anybody who maybe gets hate for having a lot of planners or only having 1 planner. Let's just be happy and all be happy planning together. That sounded really corny, but you know what I mean. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will give updates in a little bit, maybe a month or 2 in, to show you how I'm using them, if I'm continuing to use them or not. Other than that, I hope you guys all have a great January, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.